if we're going to have one. So let's go to that party. Yay! Let's go! The kings and queens are here, and the mighty eagle.
Meanwhile, I got the ship thingy, whatever. I don't know what it is.
Five hours later. Oh man, that was awesome. I ate 50 pounds of vegan pudding. It was so awesome.
I beat you at the ham eating contest.
Yeah, you did. You were awesome. Okay, let's go.
You go to the toilet.
Oh,
That's better.
well, I'm just gonna get my hat
Take a
on.
nap now.
2 hours later. You look around. I actually have no idea what's happening.
What?
Oh, our eggs. Oh, our eggs. Oh, yeah, I know. Our eggs missing. Our eggs missing. Where did that army pig go when we tried to throw them down?
No! Let's go! Wrong landing!
Hey, look, our golden egg! Oh no, our golden egg fell.
Where are the pigs?
No! I think we're knocked out. Wait, we're still talking. I don't think we're knocked out yet. Are you okay? Concussion, 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 concussion. You're knocked out.
Go find them.
Right behind you. Get them. Oh, sorry, golden egg. I didn't mean to hurt you. Oh, sorry. Oh, here you are. Bomb it. Now, one more. Kill them right now.
No, he escapes.
Okay, that doesn't matter. We did a nice day today. Come on, let's go. Ooh, snowballs.